Hi, I'm Dr. Rajani. Thanks for joining me today. Do you want the most natural look you can get? Do you want to avoid fillers? Do you want to get something that comes from your own body that won't draw water in, won't change your facial movement? When you see people walking down the street, you're like, I'm not getting aesthetics done. I don't want to look like that. They look bizarre. They look overdone. Their lips are up to here. Their cheeks are up to here. They look like animals. Ducks, duck lips, trout, the trout pout, and the cat cheeks. Do you want that? Probably not. I'm talking about PRF, but I'm also talking about some of the stumbling blocks and the new type of protocols we have. At the end of the video, stay tuned. I'm going to give you a view into what the PRF X looks like at an hour and a half. What it is, how it applies to your results. You can watch my videos on plasma lip, plasma sculpt, plasma glow, plasma brow. You can use it in different areas, but what we're seeing without doubt is rejuvenation of the fat, a youthful look. People just have this glow to their skin, and depending on how we use it, you can get some facial volume and angles. The two new ways I'm using it are PRF X for extra. We're getting extra fluid, which is great, and we're getting extra time, which is great for the person doing the procedure, because normally we had 17 minutes. Now we get 1 to 2 hours to use it. You only really need certainly 20 to 30 minutes, but premature clotting was a problem, especially people using tubes that were hydrophobic, the wrong angles, they took too long to draw the blood, or their spin times were off. It's very important to know the spin time, the angle, the tubes, how you're using it, so you know the concentrations, because there's only so many cells in the vial, and what we're most concerned with are, of course, we got the red cells, but the white cells and the platelets at that buffy coat. So with PRFX, the way we make it, we spin it down specifically in a specific manner. We have to draw it up from the buffy coat, and then we have, depending on what area of the face, we can use the other cells and platelet poor, less rich plasma for other areas. So that's PRFX for the patient. It's going to be great because we can also then do PRFF. And PRFF is PRF filler. It's not exactly a filler, but it's a way to make it in a more robust form so we can inject it with the micro cannula technique. It's amazing. It's going to give glow. It's going to help us be able to treat the whole face in a different manner. That's the second stage. The PRFX, we're finished to those protocols. We know a lot more about it, but when we get to the filler side, that's where the exciting research is taking place, and we'll know a lot more as time goes on. But for now, it looks to be something promising that we can incorporate and teach in our courses for 2021. Here you can see the tube at 1.5 hours. And when we take the fluid out from the tube, this is the clot you see here that forms. And then we still have liquid at an hour and a half. So there's two distinct areas it seems we're getting from the tube that we can use in different exciting manners. So our new protocols are coming. You're going to see a lot more in PRF. If you want to look natural, you want to look the best you can be, you want to minimize your fillers and other treatments, consider platelet rich fibrin, plasma eyes, plasma glow, plasma lips, and plasma sculpt type procedures.